personal brand became something quite normal that everybody is a bit worried about and concerned and really looking for finding a voice.
I think that for as long as we have had social media, different people from different walks of life have used it in order to amplify themselves.
Across every screen and every feed, today's influencers have become the heartbeat of the new world economy. But for the most part, they've been left with the smallest share of its rewards. They built the audiences. They carried the energy. They turned connection into culture. And while the platforms grew into giants, the creators who made them powerful were left watching from the sidelines. Every generation reaches a breaking point, a moment when the people who build the future realize they don't own it. For creators, that moment is now. What began as passion has become a trillion-dollar marketplace, yet the very people driving the energy still own almost none of the value they create. In 1979, Magic Johnson faced the same choice. Fresh off an NBA championship, 3 companies came calling: Converse, Adidas, and a new one called Nike. Converse offered him $100,000 a year, real cash. Nike offered him something different: $1 for every pair sold, and 100,000 shares of stock worth 18 cents each. He turned it down. No one had ever taught him what ownership meant. Magic laments to this day the decision not to take that stock, shares that would be worth more than $5 billion now. That story isn't just about basketball. It's about every influencer who ever built an audience and let someone else own the platform. Avantage was built to rewrite that story. It's the first influencer marketplace where your followers, your energy, and your voice will earn you lifetime equity, real ownership in the system you'll help build. Every broadcast, every shout, every stream builds your stake in a global network that rewards the people who bring the excitement. This isn't another sponsorship or affiliate link. It's a structural change, a new model for the creator economy itself. Here, your influence is measurable. Your equity is permanent. Your potential is limitless. Avantage connects creators, streamers, and fans through a global competition system that shares the rewards with the people who make it matter. The Avantage Baccarat World Tour is the first proof of this new economy. From Vegas to Monte Carlo to Macau, one continuous circuit where skill meets showmanship and influence becomes ownership in real time. 1.5% from followers, 1% from your stream, 0.5% from their referrals. Equity that compounds, not just for a campaign, but for life. This is the future of the influencer marketplace. A world where creators don't just promote products, they build platforms. Where streaming isn't just performance, it's participation. The power once reserved for investors now belongs to those who move audiences. The future of influence belongs to those who own it. Avantage, stream it, shout it, own it.